What's up, travelers, and welcome to another episode of Real Estate Around the World. This time we are in Bansko, Bulgaria, a little resort town 2 hours from the capital of Sofia, as set in the Pyrenees Mountains. This ski resort town, it's apparently super lively during the winter, which we have not seen, but during the summer it's a quiet, super nice place to come see. What is really interesting here is the real estate. So an apartment like this one, which is a 1-bedroom in a really nice hotel-like resort with pool, gym and multiple amenities, you can buy for about 45,000 euros, or about, the exchange rate is pretty close to dollars, so it's about $46,000. Funny thing, here in Bansko you can even find studios starting like at $17,000, which is insane. The prices apparently have been coming up a lot in the last years. There's a boom of digital nomads moving here, which is why it's making the price go higher. But it's just an interesting place for real estate, where you can buy places under 20k, 40k for a 1-bedroom, 60k for a 2-bedroom, and then the rent also. If you were to rent long term, you can rent places from like $200 to $300, and on Airbnb we found this apartment for about $500 a month. We toured a couple of different properties for you to get a sense of what you can find in Bansko. There are tons of different real estate agencies, but we decided to go with Plus Property BG since it was recommended for some friends, so they were really friendly and we went on a tour of different apartments. So come with us as we take a look at some properties around Bansko. It's okay, we can check it out, we're here.
It's small.
Okay, so this is the 2-bedroom?
It's 2 bedrooms, yes.
Okay. And then look at the balcony. So this is what you get for a 2-bedroom apartment in Bansko. This is the Emerald Resort. And what is the price on this one again? It's got a small kitchen here. It must be down here. A small dining area here. There you go. And this is the 1-bedroom?
Yes, this is the 1-bedroom.
Okay, so this is a 1-bedroom apartment at the Emerald.
It's a massive.
Yeah. Get a nice view of the mountains here. It's got the 1-bedroom with access to the terrace as well. The 2-bedroom is 39?
39.
And this one is? The apartment is 35,000 euros with a 1-bedroom close to the center of town and the gondola. Bedroom. And the ghost building in the summer. There's literally nothing in the summertime going on here. Complex. So this is the second apartment that we're gonna look at after going to the Emerald building, which was a ghost town. The apartment was not too bad, but we did not like the fact that the building looks kind of run down and it's got nothing going on in the summer. But you can find an apartment there for about 35,000 euros for a one bedroom or about 40,000 euros for a two bedroom. We're now here at St. Ivan, which is a little bit further from town. But we're gonna go see a one bedroom which is actually selling for 40,000 euros. So let's go check that one out. Six. Very good. Merci. This is nice. So this is full one bedroom. With a nice kitchen here. They actually have it nice and well decorated for Bansko standards. And the balcony is only accessible through the bedroom, but you can open the window here on the living room. And you see that modern kitchen. So this apartment again is going for about 40,000 euros. This is nice.
Yeah, the closet is good.
It's got a full balcony here on the first floor. With a full wood closet. So the apartment comes fully furnished. So you will keep everything. Even this guy will come on the 40,000 euros price tag. What do you think of this complex? Just want to finish your brownie? Apartment hunting while having brownie snacks?
Well, this one looks way better compared to the one that we just saw, the Emerald Hotel. It's really empty, as you were saying. This one, it just needs like more painting on the wood, but for now it looks better.
It'll be really interesting to see where the property prices go in Bansko for the next few years. There's a lot of digital nomads moving into the city, which might drive the prices up. There's a lot of speculation and people saying that they might adopt the euro in the next couple of years, which that will definitely increase prices as well. So we'll love to come back to Bansko in a few years and see where it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of properties around Bulgaria in Bansko, and check out more travel videos from Wonderleaf. Thanks for watching.